Hi, my name is Harrison Mazlish, and I study sound engineering at the University of Michigan. I started playing guitar at a young age in elementary school, and then throughout middle school and high school learning more about production, and then at the end of high school getting more into recording engineering. I came here to Factory Underground to take private lessons and prepare for college to build up my portfolio. And then last summer I interned here for my first time, and I'm back again this summer interning. When I had to build up my portfolio, Kenny and Ethan really helped me out here with getting everything I needed ready to submit for the applications. I was able to see the whole process of pre-production, production, recording, and then mixing and mastering the song. And then going to school, I had knowledge of signal flow and workflow in the studio that was really beneficial for getting certificates at the University of Michigan studios. For one of my portfolio pieces to submit to college, I brought a band in. I set up all the mics, I routed the signal flow for the studio, and I recorded them. We did 2 songs, and then I mixed those 2 songs as well. Last summer, working with Amy, I was able to learn a different side of the music industry, which is more about artist relations and social media and marketing. And that work really helped me to apply and eventually get into the Michigan Music Business Club. Right now, I'm the audio engineer for the Michigan Music Business Club podcast called B Major, where we unravel things about the music industry that people don't know and just talk about current topics in the music industry.